Redeem. The first one is actually a silver box. Okay, let's open it. Inside the silver box, we have... Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the Coin Baron, and in this video, I'm going to explain you how to actually get free crypto using the Crypto.com app. Honestly, it won't be life-changing amount of free money, but again, it's free and it will only cost you 1 minute each day. So you don't want to miss this. Anyways, let's strap in and let's get into the content. Once you have downloaded and installed the Crypto.com app and made an account and everything, well, the fun really begins once you press the missions button, because that will bring you to the missions tab. On the missions tab, in the top right corner again, we do see the diamonds, the diamond amount. The diamonds are the resources you can collect to actually earn free crypto. But not only that, you can also get free NFTs or even Crypto.com merchandise. And those can be found actually within the store. So press on the store and there, for example, you already see the NFT you can buy with your diamonds. But really, I first want to know, how can we actually earn these diamonds? This can be done by completing the daily quest, going to the exploration, or doing onboarding tasks. And also you can do that within the Crypto.com University, but more about that one later. Let's start with the daily quest, because these are, well, rather simple. And the first one, the status check, is completely free. And that's the thing I do every day. So the only thing you gotta do is, for the status check, is open the app, go to missions, and click on status check. And that's the only thing you have to do. And you will earn 1 diamond every day, maximum. So that also does enable you to do the other things, but those will cost you money. And that is, for example, the quick quest or the volume venture. And that will actually get you 60 diamonds every day. So that isn't actually free, but let's do it for once right now to see how it actually looks like. So take me there, and I will actually buy right now for $500 of Cronos. So quickly, let me check. 500 euros, buy CRO. And then let's confirm it. Okay, I right now confirmed it. And you do see also my badge again. So I actually purchased a bit more than 9,000 CRO. And I also completed the weekly quest, or the daily quest, I should say. So let's go back to missions. And now we do see, well, we actually completed that mission and the other mission as well. So quick quest and volume venture. So right now I should have, well, 60 more diamonds. And as you do see, well, they are right now stored in the vault. So store 60 diamonds in vault. And right now I redeemed 60 diamonds. We can actually spend them right now as well. Do make sure you redeem those diamonds, because they will disappear if you don't. And it's a bit of a strange mechanic, but do press on the redeem button once in a while. Next to daily quest, we also do have exploration missions and onboarding tasks. So if we actually check it out, we do see a task like adding your first credit card, and that will get you 10 free diamonds. But unfortunately, it can only be done once. So if you already have like a Crypto.com account, well, you probably have done those already. But if you're completely new, well, you can get still some free diamonds. And of course, if you still need an account, please do use my link in the description down below. And you can even get 25 free US dollars if you ever decide to get a Visa card. Another way to earn diamonds is actually improving your badge levels. Right now, I'm a junior trader. And well, my next step would actually be senior trader. And that would, well, require me to spend a certain amount of money in the app again. And that will actually give me a surprise amount of diamonds. And in my previous experience, going from, well, the sophomore trader to the junior trader, you will get about 10 diamonds. So in my personal opinion, I don't know if it's worth it. But if you're a real spender using the app, well, this might be something for you as well to take into consideration. The final way to actually earn diamonds is a bit hidden within the Crypto.com app, but it is the Crypto.com University. And then if you ask me, how do I get there? Well, you first have to press the big lion button down below and then scroll down to more. And there you do see University. If you click on it, well, a plethora really of articles and things will open, but a few things can actually earn you diamonds. So for example, the upper one, trading strategies and features. So let's click on it. And you do see, well, you can earn 2 diamonds if you complete all the tasks. And the tasks are a few articles, but even also a final test if you actually read the articles. So you have to complete all the tasks. Will give or take you 12 minutes, but you can earn 2 diamonds. So it's also quite interesting, I think. I hope you now better understand how you can actually receive diamonds, but I understand that only a few options are really free. That's the daily check-in, the onboarding and exploration missions, and the Crypto.com University. But how much does it actually earn you? To answer that question, well, I do think we just have to try it out ourselves in the app, because right now we do have 370 diamonds. And well, if you go to the store, we do see we can actually buy these mystery boxes, and mystery boxes do have CRO inside them. And CRO, of course, can be exchanged again for any, well, US dollar or Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever. So that's basically real cash. So we have 370 diamonds, and let's start buying some mystery boxes. So let's redeem the first one. Let's redeem with 25 diamonds. Let's go. Redeem. The first one is actually a silver box. Okay, let's open it. Inside the silver box, we have, okay, 8.5 CRO. Not too bad. Let's do some more. Guys, so basically, if you do this for 1 year, if you actually do the check-in every day for 1 year, you can get the same as I just earned, because it's the same amount. So how much do we actually have right now in CRO value? Because everything right now should be in the vault. And that's actually 129 CRO. 129 CRO, that's not too shabby. Okay, if we then get our calculator, we do see that 120 CRO is equal to $7 US basically. So is it worth your time? Well, that's up to you, of course. But do remember that, well, in the past, 1 CRO was basically worth $1 US. So if you actually hold onto your coins, this 129 CRO might be worth $100 in the future. Who knows? Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, personally, it has just become a habit to just daily log in and press the status check-in button, because it's so little work, even though the reward might be small as well. Anyways, that is me, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you learned a lot more today about the diamonds and about, well, what you can actually earn for free. But do let me know in the comments down below if you also buy inside the app, or what kind of bets you personally have. But that's me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Coin Baron, and we'll see you in a future video. Till then.